Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can fill your table with color in your documents on Google Docs really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So in the first step, head over to Google Docs, open a new document, and for the sake of this tutorial, let me insert the table first. To do that, click on Insert 3 at the top, hover your mouse over the table, and select your preferred table here on the right hand side. So let me go with one with dimensions like 5 by 3, columns by rows, just like that. That is going to add the table to your document. So what you want to do to fill it with color is simply left click and hold your left mouse here in your cell in the upper left corner, and hold your left mouse and mark and highlight the entire table or all associated cells. And in the final step, simply click on that icon here at the top, background color, or click on that arrow down icon next to it to customize your background color, and pick the color from that, or pick a color from the list below. So let me go with a greenish tone like that, select it, and that is going to color or fill your table with color like this. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.